Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Basecamp for project collaboration. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin using Basecamp for project collaboration, first, navigate to the Basecamp website. If you don't have an account yet, click on the sign up button and create your account. Once you're logged in, you will see your dashboard. To create a new project, look for the new project button, usually found on the top right. Click on this button to open the project creation screen. Enter a compelling project name that clearly represents your objectives. You can also add a brief description to provide more context to your team members. Next, set the project's visibility preferences. Choose whether you want the project to be private or public. Once you've filled out the necessary details, click the Create Project button to proceed. After creating the project, you will be directed to the project overview page. Here, you can begin to add team members to your project. Locate the Add People option on the right side of the page. Enter the email addresses of your team members and assign them roles as needed. Once you have selected your team, hit the Add People button. You can now start organizing your project using different tools offered by Basecamp. To create to-do lists, scroll down the project page and find the To-Do section. Click on the Add a To-Do List button and name your list accordingly. Next, let's utilize the communication features. Scroll to the message board section to post updates or important messages. Click New Message to create a new discussion thread. Compose your message and click Post to share it with your team. For file sharing, locate the Docs and Files section. Click on Upload a file to share relevant documents or images. You can also organize files into folders for easier navigation. To keep track of project timelines, utilize the Schedule feature. Click the Add a Schedule Event button to mark important dates and deadlines. Make sure to set reminders so that your team stays informed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.